I got a new truck, I got a new ride, I got it souped up, I like it too hot. I got a new truck, I got a new ride, shawty wanna ride shawty when I roll by. I got a new truck, shawty get up out the way. I got a new truck, get up out the way. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Guitar Lessons. I'm going to teach you how to play New Truck by Florida Georgia Line today. So it's our new song, it's a great song. If you guys have any questions on how to play it or anything, or if you have other song requests, let me know in the comments. I'll get to them as soon as I can. I'm a little bit backed up right now, but I'll get to them soon. So thanks so much for your requests and for following me. So please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials in the future. Hitting like shows it to more people, and subscribe makes it so that you get notified when I come out with new ones. So let's do this thing, all right? So you're gonna put a capo on the first fret, and it's in standard tuning. You only need 3 chords for this song, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the strumming patterns, the chord progressions, and I'll show you where you play the chords with each, like where you change them and through the chorus and the intro and the verses. Okay, so let's get into it. So you're going to start with G. I would do this G, so that's just a pinky on the 3rd fret in relation to the capo. All right, and then you're going to put your ring finger up here. Okay, so your ring finger goes on the 3rd fret as well. On the E string. So right now your pinky is on the little E string, and your ring finger goes on the big E string, and then you put your middle finger right there. Okay, so your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret. All right, on the A string. Now you can play it the regular G as well, like that, but it's just really easy to switch from this G like that to C, and C is the next one you're going to use. So that's why I would do this G, okay? So you're gonna do G, then you're gonna do C, and then F. Okay? Now, a lot of people have a hard time with F. It was hard for me at first, but there's some little tricks to it, especially if you struggle with it. So what you're gonna do is, for that, you're gonna bar on the big E string all the way across, okay? And you're gonna, and that's gonna be starting on the big E string, and then you're gonna put your ring finger, okay, goes on the 3rd fret in relation to the capo, all right, on the A string, and your pinky finger goes on the 3rd fret, all right, on the D string, and then you're going to put your middle finger, okay, you're going to put that on the 2nd fret, all right, on the G string. All right, so that's how it sounds. Now, if you have a hard time playing that, the trick is, like, barring is what's hard for a lot of new guitarists. So instead of barring it, just play it like that instead of barred, okay? So that way it won't give you the full sound, but it'll still sound pretty good, because you're only going to miss the B, the B and E strings on that, okay? You're only going to miss those ones because you're not barring the whole thing, but you're playing half of, like, most of the other strings anyway. So most people, unless they're really good at guitar or have a really good sound, won't notice that that's how you're playing it, okay? So, all right, just like that. So again, it wasn't quite as good, but again, if you're new, you're just trying to get it a little bit better, get better at switching to them and stuff. That one's a tough one for a lot of people. So still practice it, holding it all the way down. But again, for this one, you don't have to do that. All right. So the way that the song starts now is you're gonna do just G and C. Okay. So you're gonna do down, down, up, 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 down. Okay, and mute. You're gonna go, yeah, baby, I got a new truck. Okay, so that's how you're gonna start it. So you're gonna do just really softly. In fact, I would only do the bottom 3 strings, all right? The G, B, and E strings, all right? And you can do the D string as well, but you can do down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, that's the strumming pattern for it. For the entire song, that's the strumming pattern. Down, down, up, 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 down. Okay, and you go, yeah, baby. That's what they do. You don't have to do that part. You could kind of skip it if you want, but that's kind of what they do. And then you go, I got a new. Okay, on new you're gonna do G. All right, you're gonna do that same down, down, up, 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 down. Okay, so what you're gonna do is, I got a new truck. New is gonna be G. I got a new truck. I got a new ride. I got it souped. Okay, souped is gonna be C. See, I switched there. I got it souped up. I like it too. Okay, 2 is F. Too high. I got a new. Okay, so again on new is where you're switching to G. new truck, I got a new ride, I got a soup. Let's see. Shorty wanna, okay, so you do shorty. Shorty wanna ride shawty when I roll. Okay, so shorty wanna is C. Shorty wanna ride shawty when I roll. Okay, roll is F. All right, so wanna is C, roll is F. When I roll by, I got a new, okay, then on that new truck, again, you do G. New truck, shorty get up out the way, I got a new, okay, so then you're gonna do, I got a new is C right there. I got a new truck, get up out the way. So that's what they do. They don't really, you don't even have to play the F there, but what you're gonna do is for that last part, which is a little bit tricky than singing and playing right there, because they have like a second singer come in and sing it over the top of them. So what you're gonna do is, shorty get up out the way, I got a new, okay, so you do new is C, new truck, get up out the way. So you don't even have to play that, but you could do, I got a new truck, get up out the way, or you can play the F once. All right, so you can do, shorty get up out the way, I got a new truck, get up out the way. So, okay, so if you want to play the F, you could just do it once, right there, on, and you're gonna kind of do it on like way, but the way, and then you're gonna go into the first verse, okay? So then for the first verse, you're just gonna do the same thing. You're gonna do down, down, up, 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 down, down, okay? But for this, you're gonna do it softer. So you can either just play it softer, like that, all right? Or you can do this. You can just play the lower strings. All right, now if you're having a hard time playing the F, I probably wouldn't just play the lower strings because it won't sound good, most likely if you're like not really barring it well. See that? You won't play that bottom part well. You have to bar it well. All right, so again, yeah, you can just play it softer if you have a harder time playing the F. All right, so that's an easy way to do it. So what you do is when you end the chorus, all right, so when you do, shorty, get up out the way, I got a new truck, get up out the way. Got some alligator skin on my Silverado in. Okay, so you're just gonna go straight into it, and you're just doing G, C, F the whole song. So what you're gonna do next is you just go straight into that, and for the first verse, you're just gonna do got is G. So got some alligator skin on my Silverado in. Okay, on in is where you're gonna do C. Interior and TVs. Okay, TVs is F. TV's on the headrest, and then you go back to G right after headrest. Made for tearing up the woods, bunch of horses in the hood. Okay, so G is made, right before made, and then you do hood is C. Hood straight prob's pretty good. Okay, good is F. Good for a redneck. All right, then you do G right before dang. Dang straight, that's my name on the papers. And then after papers, you do C. Deuces up, see you later. And I would do that again. I would mute. You do F one strum on later, and then you mute, okay? So C is deuces. Deuces up, see you later. Just like that, all right? Like that, okay? F mute on later. And then you're gonna go right into the chorus. I got a new truck, all right? And then on new is where you're gonna start playing G. New truck, I got a new ride, I got it souped up, I like it too high. I got a new truck, I got a new ride. Shorty wanna ride shorty when I roll by. I got a new truck, shorty get up out the way. I got a new truck, get up out the way. All right, and you're just gonna keep doing that the same thing. The second verse is the same as the first one. The bridge is the same as well as the other verses, so it's very easy to play. And the choruses are all the same. So anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions or anything, and yeah, see me next time.